How to increase video quality in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Premiere Pro. At the top, when you're trying to edit any video or photo, go to the file and click on the option of import and import your file. Once the file has been imported, go to adjust layer. After that, adjust the layer of the effects and the video that you have imported. After that, click on the video whose quality you want to improve. Go to effect from the left hand side and choose the option of mask. Now from here, mask, you can simply choose the percentage of the effect applied to the video according to the desire of the quality you want. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.